Hello friends. Today I want to tell you how to make a simple and delicious sandwich at home. Take the food in the refrigerator, a few slices of bread, add imagination. These are the basic rules for making a delicious sandwich. I suggest making a simple egg sandwich at home. Take a fresh egg, add milk or cream, make slices of fresh bread. The egg will fill the buttered with useful proteins, vitamins and minerals. You can also add cheese, which is also a good source of protein. For a healthy sandwich, just add to the sandwich fresh vegetables. I added a tomato. You can add cucumber, grated carrots, green peas, cabbage, greens. Add wet toppings to your sandwich when ready to eat. What are the 5 steps you need to take to make a delicious sandwich? Here's a homemade recipe I've been using for years. Step 1. Toasting bread. Step 2. Use cheese or egg. They have a delicate texture. Step 3. Use your favorite sauce and spices. Step 4. Putting it all together. Step 5. Toast the sandwich with the filling. Step 6. Add spices, seeds, brew a delicious tea or coffee and enjoy.